Okay. And we are live. Let's wait for a few people to get in. Nobody's watching right now. Well, nobody's watching, but I'm watching. It's 4:07 a.m. For me, it's pretty late. But this new change in price, with this new change in price, I can't go to sleep right now. I'm sure a lot of you guys are watching. I wanted to talk about a little bit about BitCoin and the price drop, and a little bit about Bitcoin Cash and why they're putting money in Bitcoin Cash and not in the altcoin market. Right now things are starting to shift. Bitcoin is rising again. It dropped to 5,559, I believe. Let me double check that. Coin market cap 1 day. Everything is slowing down. Whoa. So the lowest point was $5,519. That's a very significant drop. Yeah. Okay. Looks like somebody just joined in. Welcome. We're monitoring Bitcoin price and Bitcoin Cash. Price of Bitcoin is rising again. Bitcoin Cash is dropping. We can see here on coin market cap. Let's select all coins. The current market cap for all cryptocurrencies is $200 billion. And Bitcoin Cash is down to 28 billion. It was over 30. And the price got up to almost 2,000, or maybe a little bit above 2,000 at some point. Close to it. Yeah, pretty close to it. And that's in 1 day. You can see how steep the graph is. From 630 bucks to close to 2,000. That's a very significant change. if you were one of those lucky ones that bought in on the dip somewhere over here or somewhere over here. There were 2 dips before that. Let's go back to 7-day. No, 1 day. Everything's so slow. A lot of people are searching this. So if you were one of those lucky ones that bought Bitcoin Cash before it started rising, or maybe you were catching the wave up, you know, and you sold, oh my god, it went up to 2400 in just 1 day. So you could have made 4 times the money if you bought at right around 600. And I'm gonna be honest with you, 600 is when I sold out. I didn't have much, but I sold out at just right above 600. And yeah, I was not expecting Bitcoin Cash to get to this level. I really thought Bitcoin will go down after the news that Segwit was cancelled, the fork was cancelled, and I knew Bitcoin is going to go down, but I thought all the people that were just holding Bitcoin for the fork and to get some free money, right, from the other currency, the Bitcoin 2x. All the people that were just holding the money, they, after the news that it was cancelled, they were just buying altcoins, because when Bitcoin was high, altcoins were getting low. The price for altcoins was very low and a very good buy. And I really thought that altcoins would be the way to go to shift for the whole market of cryptocurrency, but the winner was Bitcoin Cash, and there's a few more that got elevated. Ethereum Classic seems like Dash a little bit, and IOTA, and a few more down here, but most of them, as you can see, they were pretty affected of the price of Bitcoin, and very, very negative. So let's take a look at the top 10 though. And Monero always goes up. Every time Bitcoin goes down, Monero always goes up. Well, you know, one of the best privacy coins out there, and in my opinion. So let's take a look at why Bitcoin Cash was getting these high prices. Well, if you go to CoinMarketCap and go to markets, you can see where they were trading Bitcoin Cash, and the number one was BitHump, which is a Korean online exchange for cryptocurrency. Over $4 billion worth of trading in the last 24 hours. So the other thing, oh, somebody commented. Oh, let's check it out real quick. I don't know why I can't. Yeah, how about that? Looks like somebody is manipulating the market. For 10 minutes, 2 times the market cap was up and down with 7 billion. Yeah, I caught that. That was a few hours ago. Thank you for sharing, Pavel. And you're making a pretty good point. Those big whales with a lot of money, they manipulate the market like that. They put in the money in Bitcoin, and 7 billion, you know, that rises the price at about 7%, right? So let's go back. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap, and I'll show you over here. Bitcoin. Yeah, the Bitcoin market cap is 104 billion in dollars, and you know, 7 billion jump is right about 7%, and so they raise the price with 7%, and they sell it or put it in altcoins, and when you take out 7 billion in Bitcoin, the price goes down by 7%, and that's when they buy again. And as you can see, Ethereum is pretty stable, and maybe they put a little bit in Ethereum, maybe they put a little bit in Bitcoin Cash and other altcoins, and also US dollars, because I was following the total market cap over here. So they made quickly 7% gains just by manipulating the market. I'm pretty sure they cannot do that all the time, and I'm pretty sure also that it wasn't just one person or one organization, but it happened in just a few minutes. Like someone commented, it happened, where was it? I'm sorry. In 10 minutes, right? So yeah, yeah, looks like all the people are asleep already, and I'm trying to do this live. Well, I'm just going to keep explaining, and hopefully you can catch it up on the replay. I'll try to be brief as possible. And so I was trying to explain about Bitcoin Cash. So let's go back to the markets, and if you can see the markets that Bitcoin Cash was trading at, BitHump, Coin1, and Corbit, that's more than $5 billion just for those, and that's a Korean exchange, online exchange for cryptocurrency. So Korea is definitely doing something, probably making a bubble for Bitcoin Cash so they can lower the price of Bitcoin and just acquire more Bitcoin. I'm not sure, and I've been trying to find news for what's going on in Korea, but all the news pretty much are in Korean, which I cannot read. So yeah, I wish I could tell you why they're doing this, but for what we know is just they're trying to acquire more Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the boss of cryptocurrency right now. Bitcoin holds more than half of the market cap in cryptocurrency, just over 50%. And even though Bitcoin Cash seems like a good option, because they say it's better than Bitcoin. The ledgers are processed quicker, and the transactions are quicker, and I think cheaper. So even though Bitcoin Cash offers that, there's no real usability yet. And if there's no usability, no one's gonna use it. Right now it's just trading it. And now we see a spike in the price of Bitcoin Cash, but probably in a few days, as fast as it went up, it's gonna drop down. I'm not sure if it's going to drop down to the previous level where it was. Probably not. Maybe over here it was trying to sustain itself. Yeah, looks like right around 600. Maybe it's going to be above 600, but my guess is in a few days, this following week, we'll see the price drop significantly. It's just a bubble, in my opinion, and we cannot change what it is. What we can see is, once again, every time there's big news like that, Bitcoin price drops down, and that's a very good time to buy in, acquire Bitcoin at the low price, and every time you see the drops, buy in and hold it until you see a big rise like that. Like for example, I think it was 3 months. Oh yeah, you can see it here in October. It was rising softly, pretty steady rise with a little bit of jumps up and down, but it was on a uptrend, and then bam, from 4,800 to 5,600 in what was it? That's October 13th and October 11th. So in just 2 days, bam, big jump like that. And so when you see a big jump like that, you try to sell it then, and don't try to ride the wave and buy it somewhere in the middle here, because you never know how high it's gonna go unless you have inside information. If you do, then maybe you want to put your money into it, but most likely if you're just riding the wave, you're going to lose money, because we all think the wave is just gonna keep rising, and we're chasing the candles. And when we do that, somebody starts selling off, and then a few thousand people start selling off, and the price drops, and we lose money. So always buy the dips and sell high, and try to collect anything over 10%. So 10, 20, 30% is a very good trade if you can manage to find jumps like that. It depends how low you bought on the dips. And so yeah, that's how you basically trade Bitcoin. Those are the fundamentals. Buy low, sell high. And yeah, let's go back to the chat and see if somebody else joined. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, oh yeah, welcome guys. Yeah, 3 people are watching. Thank you for watching. I do not know who it is. Okay, sorry about that, I apologize. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap and check out how the price is going. So yeah, it's still rising up, and Bitcoin Cash is going down. This over here, in just 2 hours ago, I think it was 80% gain in the last 24 hours. It's dropping because basically they're selling, they're trading it for Bitcoin, because you can see, if you look at the history, you can see Bitcoin Cash right now is 26 billion and Bitcoin is 105 billion. If we take a look at the history snapshots, let's go back to November 12th. It's not available yet. Yeah, I wish I could show you. Historical data. So yeah, on yesterday, November 11th, it doesn't say what time here, but it was 110 billion for the market cap of Bitcoin. And let's go back and check out the market cap of Bitcoin Cash, if they're gonna show us some more info, historical data. And it's 16. And no, that's not what I'm looking for. But anyways, just a few minutes ago, right before I started this live, the Bitcoin Cash was 28 billion and Bitcoin was 103 billion. So they're selling off their Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin. So again, that's their strategy. I guess in Korea. Let's see if it's still the top yep, still Korea's exchange is still on top. Yeah, the last 24 hours. Number one, BitHump. That's a Korean cryptocurrency exchange website, and yeah, so they're just gaining. And let me just demonstrate. If you oh, not Bitcoin Cash, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to click that. BitHump, where was it? Okay, BitHump website, and it's not loading because they're doing so many trades like right now. It doesn't even want to load. Yeah, they probably, yeah, it's not gonna load. I'm sorry, but it was a Korean website. I saw it, and over here is their currency, the Korean currency, whatever it is. But you can see on their exchange, the number one currency that was traded in the last 24 hours was Bitcoin Cash, and they were acquiring Bitcoin Cash, raising the price, and then selling back to Bitcoin and acquiring more Bitcoin. And it's really surprising to me how much money is involved in a small country like that. There's rumors that though the money come from China, since they banned cryptocurrency by the government. It was banned in China, and they're saying the people from China are using VPNs and using South Korean servers to buy cryptocurrency. And yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for letting me share this with you, and I wish I can give you more info right now. Well, oh yeah, there was one more piece of information I wanted to show you. Before I show you that, let's refresh CoinMarketCap real quick and check out BitConnect. It's down to number 20 on the list. So yeah, last week they changed the way market cap for BitConnect is shown, only circulating coins. So this was 2.2 billion, and there's rumors that Dash or some of the top coins over here kind of spoke to the people in CoinMarketCap and let's change something, because BitConnect is gaining a lot of power, and they're shifting them into lower positions. So anyways, the market cap for BitConnect now is close to 500 million, and I wanted to show you why that is, because every time Bitcoin price drops down, the BitConnect market cap drops down as well. And it's on their website over here. Let me show you over here. So the how their cryptocurrency price is affected, and they list a bunch of things over here, and right here in the middle, the price of Bitcoin. So when you scroll down to price of Bitcoin, they explain over here that every cryptocurrency is basically valued in dollars, but you can buy it with Bitcoin. Platforms like Ethereum or Litecoin you can purchase with dollars, just like Bitcoin. But if you are looking into altcoins, you pretty much need to buy Bitcoin and exchange it for altcoins. So Bitcoin sets a standard of how cryptocurrencies are valued. And when we talk about BitConnect, I'm sure that is the main reason why their market cap drops significantly every time Bitcoin price drops down. And if you're not sure about that, check out the graphs for Bitcoins and Bitcoin and BitConnect. Match them together with dates, and you'll see for yourself that this is true every time. So if you are investing in BitConnect and lending some money there or staking, please be aware of the price of Bitcoin. Every time you're making a trade there, you want to be looking out for the price in Bitcoin. If it's trending up, that's a very good way to make some money quickly when you buy your BitConnect coins. And since the price of Bitcoin is trending up, by the time you transfer your money to your BitConnect website, Bitcoin price is up, and you'll be exchanging your Bitcoins for more dollars where you put them in your lending wallet. So yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up with this, guys. Thank you so much for being on the live over here. Oh yeah, we had a question from Bob Rice. Let's answer this real quick. What is the chance of seeing 5,000 Bitcoin tomorrow? Chart traders would like that. Of course they would, Bob. We saw the price going down a lot today, and it didn't go so low as 5,000, and I wish I can predict that. I wish I can tell you tomorrow is gonna be 5,000, but from what it looks like right now, let's refresh it real quick. And yeah, price of Bitcoin is still volatile, and it's going up and down, but Bitcoin Cash is going down. So what I can tell you for tomorrow is that the price of other altcoins might go up if the price of Bitcoin goes down, and the price of Bitcoin Cash keeps dropping down, and the market cap. All these money need to go somewhere, and it's not looking like a lot of money are taking off of the cryptocurrency market cap. So look for the market cap tomorrow, and if you see it around 200 billion, and the price of Bitcoin is dropping down, check out those altcoins over here. If you have invested, maybe you made some gains, and that would be a pretty good time to sell them and make some profits. Okay, and with that, I'm going to sign off. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Looks like there's 6 of you right now. Thank you again for joining me, and I will try to update you as soon as I can with another live video. Keep coming back for guidance and information to achieve success and personal growth. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you another time.